So if you're new in the Forex scene, you probably don't know what the term pips means and how to calculate them, measure them, etc. And I'll be making a lot of beginner Forex videos because I know a lot of you have come from a free Telegram group to watch this video. I'll leave a link in the description if you aren't in it already. But inside there you'll see me forwarding trades from my premium group where people copy our trades. So you might see a message in there that says a trade's running at 20 pips profit or a trade's running in 100 pips profit, for example. But you might not know what this actually means. So the term pip actually stands for points in profit. So all that means is that pips are used to calculate changes in value within a currency pair. So almost all currency pairs are quoted to the fourth decimal place. Say for example we take the GBP USD currency pair. If current market price is at 1.3745 and the price moves to 1.3746, that means there's an increase in 1 pip. And it's the same if price decreased, so if price moved from 1.3745 to 1.3744, that would be a decrease of 1 pip. So it's pretty simple. Not every single currency pair is quoted to the fourth decimal place though. Another example would be USD JPY and the JPY pairs in general. These pairs are quoted to the second decimal place. So if the current market price for USD is say 150.200 and it moves to 150.210, that would be an increase of 1 pip, and the other way around would be the same. To actually put this into context for you to understand a bit more, I will share my screen with you now and give you some examples. I'll also show you how to calculate and measure pips for yourself. Right, so say for example we have a trade and we are going for so say we've placed a trade here, let's go with here, and our stop loss was, for example, at 151.920. This is on the USD JPY currency pair, by the way. And say our take profit was, I don't know, let's just say 149.502. So there we go, so a simple trade there. So say if you wanted to calculate the pips from this trade, all you would do is you'd click on this tool here, the measuring tool. You would press on the chart where you entered your trade at. You'd scroll down or up depending on if it's a buy or a sell, and you drag it all the way down, bang, and that would be a 205 pip trade. And if your trade hit stop loss, you'd click the measuring tool where you entered the trade and scroll up or down, depends if it was a seller or buy, but for this one it's a sell. So it's pretty straightforward. So measuring and calculating pips is dead straightforward. It's not hard at all. All you've got to do is go over to TradingView and do exactly what I've just shown you. Hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you in the next video.